Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back here at D3 Sneakers. Daniel behind is Milena. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, comment below, or maybe share the video, send it to someone that probably will love this content. We want to be the number one on business, and we need your love and your support to get there. Today, there's not too much time for the talking. Travis Scott Golf Edition, I want to jump on it. We're going to be doing that together. Review on fit, some outfit, who knows? Stay there. This is a must watch. Come with me. Let's do it. All right. Let's waste no time and get straight into unboxing these bad boys. As you can see, the box design is sleek and classy, just like the Jordan ones we all know and love. Now it's time to reveal the treasure inside these babies. And boom, here they are. The exclusive Jordan 1 Low Golf Travis Scott edition. These kits are absolutely amazing. We have got a perfect blend of white, green. Taking a closer look, you will notice the premium materials used in these shoes. The upper is made of top quality leather, providing that extra durability and comfort. And check out the swoosh. It's beautiful, stitched and stand out against the contrasting colors. Now, what takes this apart from your regular Jordan 1 is the goal-specific features. These shoes are designed to provide excellent traction on the golf course. I'm buying. I want them, even though I'm not a golf player, I will wear these on a daily basis for sure. Comfort is always a top priority and Jordan brand doesn't disappoint. The cushioning on these kicks is superb. Whether you are walking the fairways or spending hours at the driving range, your feet will thank you for the plush comfort and support these shoes offer. Another important feature, styling. Jordan 1 Low Golf Edition are versatile, allowing you to rock them both on and off the golf course. Pair them with some slim fit black jeans and a clean white tee for a casual, effortless look, probably. Or if you are feeling bold, inspired, and you want to hit some stylish moment, just wear them. Basically, if you want to stand out, wear these babies, period. And I think that wraps up our exclusive Jordan 1 Love Gold Edition. I hope you're enjoying this closer view and you think in the same way that I'm thinking about this, that this shoe is amazing. So comment below and let me know. I'm hearing you. Well, guys, that's gonna be all for today. Thank you so much for watching us. Please go to the comment section. Which which one's your favorite one? Phantom, OG, Fragment, Golf Edition? You're the one making the call. Go there, let me know. Let's get some conversation. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. That's all that we need. See you in the next episode. I'm pretty sure you will be there. I'll be here. This is a non-stop. Let's make it happen. Ciao.